Well, it's funny actually. I often reflect back in my third year of university. So this is my fourth year teaching. So that was only about 6 or 7 years ago. And I remember our professor saying to us, you need to get up and make a presentation. And I thought, okay, so I'll have a poster board. I'm not going to use technology because that's going to, what if it fails on me? And what if I get up there? So I refused. And I remember thinking, you know, that's the way to do it because I'm so like everything needs to work out. So I refused to use technology in my third year of university. And I started seeing the cool things that people were doing and I thought, well, I want to try that. I want to do it. And of course you stumble and you have a couple troubles, but you troubleshoot and that's just like problem solving in any context. So then through Teachers College, I was lucky enough to have some teachers that kind of opened my minds to how kids can use technology in safe, effective, and purposeful ways. And then in my first 2 years of FTK, I had the opportunity to work with the Live Scribe Pen and implementing that with kids. And I just started seeing little snippets of eye-opening moments with kids with technology and just the learning that can be captured. And it's not something that just goes away. It's not just like a picture that you have to infer from. I'm able to see documented evidence of the kids. So then last year in my year of gifted, when I taught grade 4 gifted, the kids were excellent with technology and I started videotaping them and it just made my assessment practices that much faster because I was able to see in the moment. I wasn't spending hours marking. I was watching, responding, conversations. The kids and I could talk about it and move on. It just made so much more sense. And for kids who are entering a digital world, we as teachers we have to teach them and we have to teach them ways to do it smart and in ways that support them. So these kids, I thought, okay, let's try it. Let's see what happens. And just seeing the spark in their eyes when they watch their video and hearing about sharing it with their parents or showing it to their brother, I mean, it's just evidence that keeps proving their learning journey, but then something I can always go back to with them. So it's evidence that I can keep using, the kids can keep sharing, and that we keep reflecting on.